Hi guys, so we are watching the saving part of the form in the React. So last session we able to build the form and able to collect the data from the form. So now, so we have a component which is a new employee that I need to bring to the employee component and I need to bind in the list while adding the data. So that is what we're going to do now. So let's go and create the function constant. Okay, save employee handler handler equal to okay, so entered data. Okay, so let's log here console.log. Okay, now here we try to create one more frog on save employee data. We pass the handler save handler. Okay, so now we have a props in the new employee. Let's go define props. So instead of logging here, let's props dot on save pass the form data. Okay, okay, so what we trying to do here is we try to call the props on save data and pass the function. So here what this input is a function where it's collecting the data. Okay, so that's what we do in simple logic. So now we remove the console log here and we try to push the data to the employee. Let's go and see in the console. Employee 3 and the test. Okay, so now it's logging from the employees. So now we are able to successfully pass this data towards here. So now the next step is we have to pass this data inject to the employees. Okay, so let's see how to do that. So this data we are having in the app.js. Okay, let's do that now. Okay, so as we having the employees from the app.js, let's do the same again. So from the app.js, let's try to add a method. Okay, here we can really like on add have a different name. Okay, fine. Okay, now there is no use of header in this. Okay, just recall it something like this. Then we'll have one more on add. So let's call the add employee handler here. Okay, so then what we do, so here we have the props. So data is the props here. So let's okay, so let's try to do some fix here. one second, let's see whether it's happening. Okay, this is okay. So let's do something like this. We try to accept the multiple arguments. Okay, there are two props. One is this, another here. Okay, so let's remove this. So make sure we are able to get the data. Yep, so all fine. Now let's instead of this, we try to pause, and yeah, we are logging this. Let's see. So all looks fine. Let's try to add the record text. Cool. So finally we able to get the data from the app.js. So now only the final thing is we have to try to add this data to the employees. Okay, so now let's go and use set employee. So we'll give some meaningful name, employee. Okay, that will be something more meaningful. Okay, cool. So let's go and refresh and see how things works. Test. Okay, there is an error. Okay. Okay, cool. There must be an error because it is supposed to be a number. Okay, data name is not a function. Okay, so let's try to modify something over here. So currently what happened, like so we have a hard-coded value. There must be an index update need to be done. So directly this is not a correct approach. So let's go and try declare one more new array, so where we can just do the deep copy of employees. Okay, then as we know, like we hard coded value, so we try to update this in the index 2, but still we can able to get the index dynamically. Yeah, so we try to set this array over here, and then just to set this new array. Okay, let's try this now. Three and test. Okay, cool. So there is a value. So id3 is able to update in the list. So now anyways we hard coded, so it's going to replace the index of 3. So that's not an issue. So what we need to do is we try to do the add into the array, just copy the existing employee, deep copy, and insert the new array, so that will replace the complete object. So we can do this approach, or we can go with the add employees. So currently just want to show the functionality. I just hard coded this, so we'll just tweak this approach dynamically, and we going to do some kind of filter operations, all this stuff in the coming videos. Just to do practice, try to pass the data to the collection, and try to get those values in here. So we'll upcoming video we try to tweak the data dynamically, and we apply some filters, all the stuff. Thanks for watching the video, guys.